On Sunday was my husband drove me to get my freebie from Sephora, and I wish I would have stayed. I threw out the boxes. This is an Ulta lip mask. Uh, and then Sephora has and I kind of got upset because I thought that these lip products, I thought that they were like a reddish tone, but they're nude. It's always got to be nude. So I think this is like a lip scrub in here. And then that's Sephora. And you got a new lipstick and a new lip pencil. And it's the swivel kind. So this is a mauve, and then this is a nude. It's called chai. I love my chai tea. I'm not supposed to have that or coffee because I can't have black. It's supposedly too much for my kidneys, although it's great to clean out my liver. Story of my life. And then this came in the Ulta too. It's like a lip oil. I got my freebies. My husband drove me early Sunday to do that.